Tom Hanks gifts his own typewriter to an Australian boy who was bullied for being named Corona. 8-year-old Corona de Vries from the Gold Coast in Queensland wrote to the Oscar-winning actor after Tom and his wife spent more than 2 weeks in quarantine at a nearby hospital after contracting COVID-19 while shooting a film on location in Australia.
Dear Mr. and Mrs. Hank, my name is Corona. I heard on the news you and your wife have caught the coronavirus. Are you okay?
Corona told Tom and Rita kids at school had made fun of him during the pandemic because of his name.
Coronavirus. They just kept on saying that, and I get really mad.
The Won't You Be My Neighbor star wrote a sweet letter back to the fan on April 10th saying, quote, "Your letter made my wife and I feel so wonderful," and added, "You know, you are the only person I've ever known to have the name Corona, like the ring around the sun, a crown." And Hank sent the boy a vintage Corona brand typewriter he happened to bring with him to Australia and wrote, quote, "I thought this typewriter would suit you. Ask a grown-up how it worked and use it to write me back. P.S. You got a friend in me." Corona and Kevin, his father, said he was ecstatic to receive the gift and correspondence.
Over the moon, I think, was an understatement. He was ecstatic.
Yes, very special, because I always feel like I'm famous. He said I'm a friend of him.
Corona told 9 News in Australia that he would definitely use the typewriter.
And I'm going to write back soon.